Hello everyone, my name is Richie and I am passionate about designing practical solutions that can improve everyday life for people facing physical challenges. When I learned about Gary's story through the Printlab challenge, one specific issue stood out to me: hand, mobility, and grip. Gary is a C6 quadriplegic. Although he can move his wrist, he cannot naturally close his hand to grip everyday objects. Even simple daily actions can become frustrating because many tasks depend on grip strength. That made me start thinking, what if wrist movement itself could help create grip? That question became the starting point for my project, which I named WristLink. At first, my idea was completely different. I wanted to design a more advanced mechanism, so I created a cardboard mock-up to test the concept before modeling anything digitally. But after testing it, I realized there was a major problem. The design required too much effort from the user. Instead of helping the hand, it could potentially create discomfort or add extra strain. I did not want the solution to become another obstacle, so I stopped that version and went back to the drawing board. I started focusing on simplicity. Using Fusion 360, I designed a lightweight, wearable, assistive device that transforms wrist movement into a gripping motion. The structure of the device wraps around the hand and wrist, while the curved front section acts like a gripping surface. The mechanism uses rotating joints, elastic tension, and flexible movement to help create a closing motion when the wrist moves. To improve comfort and stability, I also added a sewn internal support piece that helps keep the device securely positioned on the hand during movement. One thing I wanted to avoid was creating something that looked cold or overly medical. I wanted the object to feel modern, personal, and comfortable to wear. That is also why the device can be customized, including printing the user's name directly onto the design. The goal of WristLink is not to replace independence. The goal is to support it. By helping users grip objects like keys, scissors, and other everyday items more naturally, the device aims to reduce frustration during small daily tasks that many people take for granted. This project taught me something important. Good design is not always about creating the most complicated system. Sometimes the best solution is the one that feels simple, natural, and respectful of the person using it. Thank you for watching. To Gary, I hope this project can make even a small part of everyday life easier for you. While designing WristLink, I kept thinking about how determination, adaptability, and independence can inspire innovation. This project was not only about creating an object, it was about creating something with purpose. I hope you enjoy this design, and I hope it reflects the respect and admiration behind every step of its creation. Thank you for inspiring this project.